Thanks, Karen. Still on athletics, as head coach of the St. Andrew Parish team, Ransford Mullings, has hailed his athletes for riding the challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic to retain the JTA Sagicor National Athletics Championship title. St. Andrew amassed 272.8 points ahead of St. Thomas 256 and St. Catherine 195 to lift the title.
We started our conditioning, our preparation really late. It was a collaborative effort from the combined coaches. It's a together work, and the high jump, the field events in general did justice for us. The lower stream, the under 9s, the under 8, the throws, all did justice for us. The relays, we amassed significant points in that area.
And sports coordinator for St. Andrew, Mabrak Harris, admitted that he had some doubts heading into the championships, but was pleased with the team delivered.
In the relays especially, we knew that we didn't have the super talent like yesteryears, but over the relays, we have great quartet who would actually come through.
And JTA President Winston Smith underscored the importance of the meet.
It is an opportunity where our teachers get to showcase the skills, abilities and talents of our students. It's something that we look forward to, and each president that comes in at the onset, we start to plan. For my year, it was no different.
The two-day meet ended on Saturday at the National Stadium with St. Elizabeth 186 and Kingston 165.5 completing the top 5.